What's going on? Scott with Scott's Journeys here, and today I'm going to share with you the Endurax Shell X P01 extra large camera backpack. So if that interests you, stick around. And when we started, we didn't have that much equipment, just like probably most everybody that starts out with a hobby. You don't have a lot of the stuff that you're doing that you need. But as it goes along, you just start accumulating more and more gear and more expensive gear. And originally I was just going around with the regular backpack. I love that backpack. I've had it for years, but it worked good for hauling my gear around. But then I started to notice the need of a backpack that would protect my gear more, something that would keep it safe from the elements, some padding that would keep it safe from impacting. We travel, and so just needed something to take care of my gear. And that's what got me started looking, and I came across the Endurax Shell X extra large camera backpack. Today I want to go over just some of the features of it. I love this backpack. I'm going to give it just straight up right now. I'm going to tell you, thumbs up for me. I like this backpack. What I like about it, let me go over some of the things. One is it's got two hard shell covers that cover two compartments, the top compartment and the main compartment. The main compartment has a lot of padding that you can customize and store your gear in. You can put it any way that helps you hold your gear better. I like that. You can move it around. I use a Canon EOS 80D. Fits fine in there. I also have a Mavic Air drone that I use in it, and all of that fits in there great. The top pocket, my Canon 80D fits in the top compartment as well. But what I like to use the top compartment, especially when I'm traveling, is to store things like my cell phone, my keys, all that stuff I don't want in my pockets when I'm going through security. Fits in that compartment perfectly. Plus there are two side compartments that help hold all the little extra camera stuff that you have, like extra blades for the drones, extra micro SD cards, batteries, all that stuff. Everything has a place in this backpack. And like I said, it's extra large, but it's not too large that you can't take it on an airplane as a carry-on. It is like the exact carry-on size, and that's another reason why I like this backpack. It protects my gear, holds it well. It also has two pouches on the side that you can put a water bottle, but what I like to do on the one side is I keep my larger tripod. It fits right in the pouch, and then it has a strap that actually will strap and hold it secure. Never had it fall out, holds it just fine. Comfort. This is a comfortable backpack to wear. I load it up. It also has a compartment that fits up to a 17-inch laptop. I have a 15-inch laptop, and it fits in there perfectly with room left over. It has like a cradle compartment that you can slide up to a 10-inch tablet into, which works out for me fine as well. I can carry this thing around. It doesn't put a big strain on my back. It's vented where it's comfortable to wear. I like that it also has a waist strap too, so for that extra security and mobility when you're on the run. It's a great backpack. If you want to check it out, I'm putting a link in the description. Like I said, I like this backpack. I would recommend it. I'm using it. And I think for most of us out there, if you're looking for something that has some storage capacity where you can have room for camera gear, a drone, extra room maybe for a couple of changes of clothes, someplace you can put your laptop and your tablet, everything that you need when you're on the move, travel vlogging, or just vacationing, this is a good backpack that will help you keep your gear safe and hold everything up. I think that you would like it. So if you want, click that link, check it out. If you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, share the video if you think you might have a friend that would be interested. Hey, I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.